Okay, good morning. So we're looking here at the S&P 500. I have prediction points loaded right here, and we can see what happened. Let's just go back and look at Friday. So going into the close on Friday, there was a major push up here. Not really sure what the deal was with this, and but really wild push up here into the close. Kind of topped out. We had a CP somewhere right up here. It topped out right there. And then since then, really just a pretty decent amount of pullback. So you can see blue are CPs, white are KPs, and the market's going to move from blue lines to blue lines is the theory. That seems to be working out so far. That's doing okay here. And we've got key turns, which is a indicator that we offer. A couple of things that I would point out here. So obviously if you're in map, you know this secret. So we'll draw fibs in between these. So this was something I was going to point out right here. This 19, 7, 5, 20 area. This was also key turns from Friday. So this is an area to keep in mind right here. Also, usually I'll watch the top fib level right here. So they failed right here, couldn't get up above these CPs right here. And then we have this top fib level right here. And if they were to break that, it's at least back down to here. There is room if they come down and they can't get back up above here or here or here. They've really kind of already been back to here. So there's a scenario where there's an attempt higher, maybe up to this CP or KP or key turns, and then some follow through for lower. Or it could obviously break out and we get another push up higher and we have some prices up here. We have these three CPs, we have key turns and KP up there, so there's some room above 39.90. Really starts to open up about 25 points. So I'd expect some resistance up in here if they do come up into there, or a lot of volatility and a big push up into here. Not sure we'll see that today though. We'll have to see. And then the other side of that would be they've really already been back to test right over here. So very possible we're down to here to test, down to here, and then this is not exactly tested to the tick. In fact, this low is about 3 points lower, so not impossible that they come back and test right there. And then there's this area right here, this 01 area. That's obviously not, this was tested over here. And then there was right here 93.75. So this is a long, long ways away. I'm not sure that's in the cards for today, but just kind of wanted to point out a couple of things. So probably a little bit of a range scenario. It's the market's pulled back quite a bit. This CP held. Breaking below here and showing weakness below these CPs definitely starts to put the sellers in charge more. Not breaking out up above here, then that would be a good clue that the sellers are in charge. So that's what I'm looking at for today. Are they going to hold here, or are they going to hold up a bit higher, or are they going to break out and really rally higher? So take those as they come. And then I'm thinking very possible we test here, or even down into the lower 3900s. So we'll see how all that goes and how it all plays out. I'll do a review at the end of today, and we'll come back and we'll look at it and we'll see. But there you have it. And obviously, if you're a subscriber to Prediction Points or you're on a trial, then you have prediction points and you can see what those prices are. So there you have it, and we'll see you at after the market is closed.